In this video, I'm gonna show you how to invite friends on Monopoly Go. In order to invite a new friend on Monopoly Go is easy. Launch open your Monopoly Go game and make sure that you're logged into your account as well. Once you're in the main home page, tap on the friends icon at the bottom right hand corner. In the bottom of the page, you'll be able to see two options. Simply tap on the invite button and then you'll be able to see two options displayed on the screen. If you tap on the first orange invite button, you can choose one of the applications in the list and select the contact you want to send the invitation to. You can also directly send a message using the Messages application on your mobile device. You can also use your Facebook in order to invite friends. Tap on the invite button in blue and then this will take you to your messenger. Now select the contact you'd want to send the invite to and tap the send button right next to their name. Once you send the invitation to your friend, they will now need to join in to Monopoly Go using your invitation link, and that is how you should be able to send invitation on Monopoly Go. That is how you'll be able to invite friends on Monopoly Go. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.